Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Jamaica Scorpions' familiar batting woes were again on display as the home team reached 153 for 9 in their first innings reply against defending champions Guyana Harpy Eagles. And that's on day 2 of their CWI 6th round regional 4-day match at Sabina Park. They trailed by 271 runs.
The Jamaica Scorpions bowlers were made to toil even more on Thursday's second day against the Guyana Harpy Eagles. The defending champions resumed on 275 for 7 and added 149 runs in the first session to be dismissed for 424 in their first innings. Marshalling that effort was Captain Tevin Imlak, who stroked his third first-class century to be left unbeaten on 101. Kamal Savory carried his overnight 127 to 155, his second first-class ton. O.J. Shields ended with 4 wickets and Pete Salmon 3 for the Scorpions. In reply, the Jamaica Scorpions used their third opening pair of the season with Carlos Brown and Javon Buchanan. But it was more of the same. In no time, the home team found themselves in a pickle at 20 for 3 inside an hour with Brown 4, Buchanan 1 and Kurt McKenzie 5, all back in the pavilion. Isaiah Thorne claiming 2 of the wickets. Abhijaman Singh departed for 18 as the Scorpions went to tea at 50 for 4. Captain Brandon King top scored with 32 before falling at 88 for 5. The team's leading scorer this season, Romain Morris, retired hurt, and the procession continued even as Ramal Lewis had a flurry of boundaries. He made 23. Lewis, Derval Green and Shields provided Versheimer Pramal with his 33rd 5-wicket haul as the Scorpions limped to the close at 153 for 9. Morris returned to close the day on 21 with Vice-Captain Markina Minley 13 not out. Pramal has so far claimed 5 for 55.
It was a fighting innings and one that, had to go through some adversity, but, happy to come out at the end and coming from 6 to something for 6, to score 420 runs, is ridiculous, for a team, and it shows character, and, I'm just happy to contribute today.
The Scorpions trailed by 271 runs, but there are still reservations over what the visitors will do if enforcing the follow-on is an option.
We're still discussing it. If we had gotten it, we probably would have bowled back, bowl again, having the bowlers getting some rest tonight and come tomorrow fresh. But it's a case where now we have to reassess and see what happens tomorrow.
Play resumes at 10 on Friday morning.